Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I want to show you something that a lot of people ask questions. How do I put my boat behind my house if I have a freshwater canal behind my house? Well, this is one of the spots you can stop and try to figure out if your freshwater canal hooks up to this boat ramp. Okay? This covers a lot of area here. I'm going to try to show you in the map the whole area that this boat ramp covers. So most of it is south of Pine Island. So, and you're looking at it goes southwest and it also does southeast. So I'll show you in the map better all the locations that it covers. And I want to show you what it looks like. It's right here located in 15th Street off of Skyline. See, Skyline is all the way over there. So you turn right on Skyline if you're heading north, and you come out to the Cape Coral BMX boat ramp. The reason why it's BMX, he also has a BMX bike competition track on the back of the park. So maybe I'll drive through it so you have an idea what it looks like. But I just want to show you the boat ramp. Okay, like for instance, I live in the southeast by Chambrook Lakes, and actually I could get my boat here and go all the way to my house, and I can tell you it's pretty far. But it's a beautiful trip because you get to see all the homes from the back, and there's a lot of really nice homes and it's an adventure. It's really an adventure. And if you're into fishing, it's really good also. You got a lot of lakes to fish and a lot of places to go. So this is what the ramp looks. See, we're gonna have somebody right now is gonna take our boat. So let's see how he does it. Okay. So that's, you put your trailer in and take your boat out. Yeah, plenty of parking spaces for everybody who wants to park. Let me show you over here. This is for you to pay. You're parking. Okay. And residential, conventional, annual boat decal. You could get a decal also, so you don't have to be paying every time you come if you're a frequent user. And check it out. So I'll show you on the map at the end of the video where am I exactly located, and also where all these canals lead to. Okay, so I can tell you that you could go for miles and miles in these canals. If you're into fishing and you like freshwater, it's a nice thing to get a freshwater canal home. You could do a lot of stuff. You could go kayaking, and there's a lot of wildlife that you get to see. Turtles, and what else? You get turtles, otters, and a variety of fishing. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, let me show you this short video showing you how far can you go in this canal system here. I'm familiar with the one that goes to the northeast, not too much familiar with the one that goes to the southwest. Okay, so I'm gonna show you here with the Google map so you can see, all the places you can go. Okay, so when I started the video, I was standing right here in 15th Street and 7th, right off of Skyline right here, okay? So over here is a baseball field, and over here is that BMX track for bicycles. when they open or when they have a competition, I'm gonna film it so you guys can see how to see how they are and to see how cool it is. Okay, so here's some baseball field that it has. Okay, so let's start with the canal here. Okay, like I told you, you could go very far on this canal here, and I could show you now from here. I have gone from there, from the ramp, I have gone all the way here. Okay, all the way here. But you can also, when you get here, you could go up here and still go under this bridge here, and you have access this way, that way, and this way, but you cannot go under the El Prado. It stops right here. So the area, as far as you can go, it's actually over here. From down, where was it? I already lost myself here. Okay, from here. See here. Oh, wait a second, lost again. Okay, from down here, you can go from down here, you could go all the way up to here. Okay, so you could go through all these canals here, these lakes. This is Chamorro Lakes over here, and you could go all the way here. You won't cross El Prado. That bridge there won't let you pass. So all this area here, all of this area here, all this area here, you could come from that ramp. Now, the south part, you could go through this bridge here, and you could go all the way up to here. I think you go on the Veterans too, and then you go on these areas here. I'm not too familiar with this area because I haven't gone there, but I try to track it down through the bridges, and I think you could make it all the way to like down here. Okay, so let me see if this bridge. Yes, you have a bridge there. Cool. So basically, if you go south, you'll do all of this right here, up to here. Here's the, I think this is salt water over here, so you can't go that way. It stops right there. So you could go all there from right here, from where we started. Yes. Where's the big baseball park? I'm lost already. So far, look at this. From here, you could go almost all the way down here. Okay, so this is just for you to have an idea of the size of the canals. I mean, you could go a long way. I mean, if you like kayaking and stuff, it's really cool. And these lakes here, when you get on them, they're a pretty nice size. See over here, you got the water theme park, Sunsplash. So that's a cool place to go by, and you got Saratoga Lake over here. That's on the side of a park right here. And if you like kayaking, there's actually a kayak ramp here. And this is Chamorro Lakes. I mean, it's a nice, I really enjoy going in this canals because you get to see the back of the homes. There's some very nice homes from the back. And like I said before, you get to see the wildlife, and it's very nice. I'm telling you, it's a very cool experience. Even I had a 16-foot boat with a 50 horsepower, and I used to go all the way from the ramp all the way to over here, Chamorro Lakes, and I used to park the boat behind my house. So then when I take it back out, I have to go all the way back through here, then down through here, all the way here, all the way until you get to here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this little short video showing you what that marina there, that little boat dock here, your little BMX boat ramp can take you. So if you're buying a home with a freshwater canal, you got all that area to go navigating and fishing and kayaking. It's a very nice experience. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short video, and remember, please subscribe, and see you on the next video.